All right. Here we go. So, does anybody know what a finance charge is for a credit card? Why would the bank charge you money for your credit card?
Would it just be like a fee kind of?
Kind of, but there's a reason for it. And if you're doing everything right, this shouldn't happen to you.
Oh,
Sam?
don't pay it off on time.
Yes. So this is an interest charge because you didn't pay off your balance in full this month. What do you think an unpaid balance is on a credit card? What'd you say? Something you didn't pay back? Yeah, this is how much you owe. From the previous month. And what do you think a new balance would be for your credit card? If an unpaid balance is how much you owe on your credit card from the previous month, what's the new balance?
Current month's balance.
Current month's balance. This includes the unpaid balance, and any finance charges you get, and your new, how much you added, new charges. Okay. So we're gonna try on this. Let's try number 1 and number 6. Your homework tonight on this credit card finance charge worksheet is just worrying about number 1 through 6. 7 through 12, 7 through 11 we'll worry about tomorrow. So you need to have numbers 1 through 6 done for tomorrow, and I'm gonna do number 1 and 6 with you right now. So everybody needs a credit card. Everybody needs to go get their credit card. Everybody have their credit card with them?
I have it.
Everybody needs their calculator. Go get a calculator if you don't have one.
Would a debit card work?
No.
I need my social security number too.
Yeah, can you just write that down? Seriously, we're gonna do taxes next, and on all of your taxes is a form that says, asks you for your social security number, and you would not believe how many times over the years I've had to tell my students not to tell me their social security number. They're like, so I just write my social security number on this worksheet, right? And I'm like, do not, no, that's your business. Please don't tell me your social security number. And they're like, how about I just write it down? You're not gonna tell anybody. I'm like, please don't write it down on pieces of paper and hand it to me, or just drop it in the school. Bad news for you.
Just do the very exclusive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, exactly. All right, so it looks like this person, their last balance was $105.20. That was like their last month's balance. Everybody understand? And then they paid $0, which means what? They didn't pay anything. So their unpaid balance would be still $105.20. Their finance charge, they get charged according to their finance rate. I believe that that's already in monthly and that you don't have to figure that out. So you're gonna take how much that they had unpaid and you're gonna multiply it by 1 1/4%. How do I write 1 1/4% in decimals? Point,
0.001.
just 0, 1 so far as 1%, not 0, 0, 1. Just 0, 1, and then what'd you say?
25.
2.5 is a quarter, yep. So in your calculator, you're going to write down $105.20 times 0.0125. Which rounds to, I got $1.32. You guys get the same thing? Okay, you have to do this.
I'm watching.
Okay. And then, how do I find out how much I owe now? So what do I owe?
Yeah, I go to them.
I owe how much I didn't pay before. I owe the finance charge, but I also owe something else. The new charges, because I also charged extra things to my credit card. So everybody on their calculator now, add together. 42.06 plus 105.2 plus 132. I got $148.58. You got the same thing? Okay. All right, we're gonna try again on example 6 or problem 6, and then I'm gonna leave you alone. Now your last balance, looks like this person owed $399.38. And then they paid $27.50 of it off. So how do I find my unpaid balance?
You minus the 399.38 by 27.
All right, so I'm gonna take 399.38. Everybody needs to do this in their calculator, no exceptions. You take your last balance and then subtract that payment you made, $27.50. And so now your unpaid balance is $371.88. That was how much it was from last month. Everybody comfortable with this? Now what's the finance charge again? It's your interest, right? And we're gonna multiply by that percent. This is 0.0, what? 12. I'm gonna multiply, what do I multiply that finance rate by? The unpaid balance. I'm gonna take 371.88 in my calculator times 0.012. So I got, did you guys get $4.46?
Yes.
Okay, now how do I find out my new balance?
Add it all up.
Which ones?
New charges, unpaid balance, and finance.
Yes. This person looks like they're racking up some debt here, and they're not paying it off very fast.
I smell a car being taken away very soon.
Did you guys get 891.14? Yeah? Okay. Okay, how are you feeling about this? Okay, make sure you ask questions if you're confused. You've got, they're like 8 minutes to finish these other 4 problems, otherwise you can do it at home. And then tomorrow in class, we're gonna work on the 7 through 11. So remember, you don't have to do that bottom part yet.